how to change Capcut password. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Capcut password. So to get started, go ahead and open the Capcut app into your device and then make sure you're signed into your account. And then once you're on the app and you're signed into your account, head over into the Me tab. So you'll find that at the bottom right corner of your screen. So once you click on this will take you here, and then click on the gear icon at the top right, and then go ahead and click on manage accounts and then select password. And then if you don't have a password yet, CapCut will ask you to create a password first for your account, and to change that password, simply select password again and then enter your new password into the section and then confirm the new password. And then once you have confirmed that, you can go ahead and save that password for your account on your device. Now, that is how you can basically change password on CapCut.